an amen. Let his flesh not be torn, let his blood leave no stain. Though they beat him, let him feel no pain. Let his bones never break, and however they try to destroy him, let him never die, let him never die. What good is this chanting? I don't even know what I'm reading. I don't even know what trick I ought to try. Fiyero, where are you? Already dead or bleeding? One more disaster I can add to my generous supply. Charity goes unresented, no good deed goes unpunished. That's my new creed. My road of good intentions led where such roads always lead. No good deed goes unpunished. Nessa, Dr. Dynamo. Too much to mention. Was I really seeking good or just seeking attention? Is that all good deeds are when looked at with an ice cold eye? If that's all good deeds are, maybe that's the reason why. No good deed goes unpunished. All helpful urges should be circumvented. No good deed goes unpunished. Sure, I meant well, look at what women did. All right, enough, so be it then. Let all laws be agreed. I'm wicked through and through, since I cannot succeed. Fiyero, saving you, I promise no good deed will I attempt to do again, ever again. No good deed will I do.
Wow, amazing.
Thank you.
This is our second episode, but she is our first performer.
I'm chuffed, thank you.
This is Janice De Battista, an
Indeed.
amazing performance. Are you team Elphaba or team Glinda?
I'm definitely team Elphaba, definitely. I love the green inside me.
I wore
Lives
green.
vicariously
I wore
through
green
Elphaba.
just
There
for
you go, so we're a perfect duo.
Just for you. Yeah. So, Janice, I know that you have participated in a lot of festivals and contests and Eurovision. How did you make the change to musical theatre? Was it always in you? Did you always want to do this?
Admittedly, I always loved musical theatre. I am that nerd musical theatre child, so it was always in me. However, I never had the chance somehow to get involved. However, thanks to you guys, admittedly, yes, it's thanks to you that my love for musical theatre grew deeper and I'm getting the chance to sing these marvelous songs, so thank you.
And you're a wonderful actress as well.
Ooh,
so
thank you.
You do the songs justice. Now that you've expressed your love for musical theatre, what do you expect more from the Kettle Club?
Well, I expect the unexpected because you guys are masterminds, so anything can happen with you guys at the helm, so...
That was Francesca. Say again. Thank you.
You're welcome.
If you want to see more of the Kettle Club, there will be more performers and more singers. So please, please keep watching.
Yes, watch.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to watch more from Musical Mondays, please click here. If you want to be part of the Kettle Club community and watch more videos of Kettle Club, then click here. And there's a subscribe button down here. Please click it. I mean, it doesn't take much seconds. Come on, guys, I'm waiting for you. Can you just click? It's easy. One other thing, there's the notification bell. Just press it, guys. It will make things much easier for you. And you'll get more music. I mean, how awesome is that? Come on, guys. Come on. Seriously. Press. Thank you.